An estuary is the tidal mouth of a large river or where the tide meets the stream. Our estuaries are an important part of the marine estate as they support a diverse range of species, plants and animals. New South Wales Department of Primary Industries Fisheries, also known as DPI Fisheries, administers the Fisheries Management Act 1994. One of the objectives of this Act is to conserve key fish habitats. Key fish habitats include those that are crucial to the survival of native fish stocks. Key fish habitats cover a broad range of habitat types and include marine vegetation. Marine vegetation includes salt marshes, mangroves, seagrasses, and marine seaweeds. These provide important habitat for the breeding, shelter, and feeding of a wide range of fish species. Salt marshes, mangroves, seagrasses, and seaweeds are fragile and can be easily damaged or destroyed. Marine vegetation provides protection of foreshores, have high biodiversity values, and contribute to improving water quality of our estuaries. The Fisheries Management Act has provisions to protect marine vegetation from harm. The taking of baitweed, also known as sea lettuce and blackfish weed, for recreational fishing use is exempt from the need to obtain a permit. But the gathering of marine vegetation for commercial purposes requires a permit. Activities that are likely to harm marine vegetation need to be assessed. Harming or removal of marine vegetation is generally only permissible under a permit by the Department of Primary Industries Fisheries. Permit conditions aim to minimise or mitigate the harm to marine vegetation. It is best to discuss your proposal with DPI Fisheries before undertaking any work that may harm marine vegetation. Harm includes to cut, poison, gather, dig up, destroy, injure, or shade marine vegetation. Further instances that may cause harm also include any activity that obstructs tidal flows to marine vegetation, the driving of a vehicle over marine vegetation, the grazing or movement of stock on marine vegetation, propeller damage from boats and boat mooring chains. In addition, some fishing methods are also prohibited over certain seagrasses. Marine vegetation is protected, whether dead or alive, because the plants at all stages form important habitats and food sources for fish. Works in waterways that can harm marine vegetation include construction of jetties and pontoons, boat ramps and seawalls, removal of seagrass wrack from beaches, dredging for navigation or other purposes, cutting or trimming of mangroves for views, roads, walking tracks and drainage channels. Fines up to $220,000 and remediation orders may apply to repair and restore the marine vegetation. Proposals that may harm marine vegetation should also be discussed with other approval authorities, such as your local council. Please consult with your local DPI Fisheries Manager to find out if you will need a permit for works that may harm marine vegetation. For more information, please visit our website